Started with TurboTax Basic, but realized you need to report mortgage interest or donations. Upgrading is simple and your work transfers over. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You can upgrade at any point. Simply look for a link or button that says Upgrade or Change Product, usually in the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a comparison of features. Select TurboTax Deluxe or another tier you need. Your information is saved, and the price difference will be charged to your payment method on file when you file. My crucial pro tip: wait for the prompt. Often, TurboTax will recognize you're entering information that requires a higher tier product, like itemized deductions, and will prompt you to upgrade right then. It's easiest to just follow that prompt rather than searching for the upgrade menu. Upgrade with confidence knowing you won't lose a single minute of your work. Have you ever had to upgrade mid-return? What was the reason? Share below. For more tips on using the right tax tools, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel,